How to make dyspraxia your USP. What are some of the strengths of people that have dyspraxia? Dyspraxics are commonly creative and original thinkers. They're good at strategic thinking, and they are fantastic at problem solving. This unique way of thinking is a huge benefit to creating a diverse workforce, and even the British intelligence agency GCHQ has gone on to acknowledge this. They've gone on to say, "We recognise that to continue as a world-class innovative organisation, we require a diverse workforce with different ways of thinking, and we value these cognitive differences highly." So there you have it. The sky is the limit. Whatever career path that you want to take, you are able to excel. Thank you for watching this series of videos on dyspraxia. I hope that you've learned something, and we hope to see you next time on the channel.